Your parents
Buy
told
a
you to buy a
house.
house. Renting is throwing money away. Your mortgage is 2.4 times the purchase price. Who's throwing money away? Median net worth of homeowners, $396,200. Median net worth of renters, $10,400. Home prices have risen at 4% per year on average. Your home is a forced savings account. The mortgage ends. Rent never ends. In African cities, owning a home is a security strategy. It is dignity. Buying a $300,000 house, the total true cost over 30 years, $860,000. Your actual profit after 30 years of homeownership, approximately $54,000. The renter invests the $60,000 down payment and the monthly difference. After 30 years, $320,000. The renter has liquidity, flexibility, has not been trapped in one city for 30 years. A $240,000 mortgage at 7%, $334,920 in interest alone. Your first mortgage payment, $1,400 to the bank, $197 to your equity. In 2021, mortgage rates at 2.65%. By 2024, above 7%. Median U.S. home price, $420,000. You need $90,000 income to qualify. Median income, $74,580. Your parents bought at 3 times their income. You are asked to buy at 6 to 8 times your income.
It was easy for us.
Has never paid a mortgage. Homeownership builds wealth through behavioral finance. It forces you to save.
Your
Run
numbers.
The actual numbers for your situation.
Your city.
Not your parents. Yours.
Your rate. Come this
The
way,
real
dear.
mistake
It works
is
for
making
us.
the biggest
It's the
financial
right
decision of your
choice.
life based on what your parents did. Would your parents say buy at 7% interest in a market where houses cost 8x your income? Hit that like button right now. Not for me. Share it. Send it to someone. The more people understand, the harder it becomes to keep hidden. Like, share, follow.
Be
Because
sure
the
to
people
like,
who stole this
share,
money are
and
counting
follow.
on you.